Hi everybody, I'm Jeff from Missouri Wind & Solar, and today I want to show you how to hook up a slip ring, for you, those of you that do not know how to do that, to our Freedom Single PMG permanent magnet generator, or our Freedom 2 permanent magnet generator PMG, or to any PMA or PMG that's out there. So I'm going to show you how to do the dual PMG and how to install the slip ring into our wind turbine mount. This is typically what our mount looks like, and there's other mounts on the market that look just like this. So I'm going to show you how to properly wire this. Okay, so let's start with the Freedom 2 dual PMG. This will be the mounting bracket, how you'll get it, and it'll be all bolted together. And it'll come with a conduit fitting in the top. What you want to do is remove this fitting, get it out of there. Now then, your slip ring works one way. You notice the bottom of this spins? Okay? And the top, this part does not. It's just the bottom. This is going to be the top, and this goes down inside the tower. So that's what you're going to do. Oops. Feed all the wires down through the hole, like so, and then get self-tapping screws like such. This is all I use to put this together, and these are self-tappers. Now shoot your self-tapping screws down through the slip ring, and there you go. You're ready to assemble it. You're ready to put the bracket just like so. Now remember, the tall end will be out. This is the one you want out. The other side, water can get into this, the part that swivels, so this is very important that that's down. Now then, here's what we have to do. As you'll notice, all of these wires are color coded. They're all different colors. But this is very important. Take 3 of the top leads, any 3, and get these separated. You do not want to connect these together anywhere. You don't want these crossed. So there we go. I got the yellow, black, and the white separated away from these colors. Now let's do the same on the bottom. And I do this with electrical tape. You do not want to make a mistake doing this. You'll short out your PMG. Now go to the bottom and get the white, the green, and the black. There we go. Those are separated completely. This is going to connect to one harness on the dual PMG. Very important. The colored set will go to the other harness. Now, so coming down the tower, if you were to cross any of these wires on the rectifiers, you'll short circuit out the wind turbine. So this is very important. Keep these colors separated. Now the white, the black, and the green will go to one rectifier, and the blue, yellow, and red will go to the other rectifier. What happens if you get confused and just happen to put a red wire over here and say a black wire over there? It will dead short out the PMG, and it will not turn. Now, we've got some complaints once in a while, my wind turbine's not turning, and it turns out that most of the time somebody got a wire cross. So this is just a habit I do. I just tape these like this and keep them separated so there's no mistake. Okay, so you bought our single Freedom PMG with 3-phase wild AC output, and you want to do a slip ring. It's very easy. Take any of the 3 leads. Remember, keep the open part of this slip ring turned down out of the weather. Take any 3 leads, connect it to any color you want, take the other end, connect it to any one of the 3 leads, anywhere. It doesn't matter how they go. It can be red, black, yellow, or black, red, yellow. It doesn't matter on which of these 3 terminals these go to. There is no positive, there is no negative on the 3-phase side, just on the DC output side. So that's how you wire up a slip ring to our Freedom PMGs. Okay, on our Freedom PMGs, what we usually use, and we stock this, is called SJOW cable, or it's, excuse me, SOOW cable for our dual 6-lead. See, it's got 6 different color wires out of here. And it doesn't matter which one of these that you hook up to the slip ring. Just keep 3 separated on the PMG when you come out. I'm just going to use this little tool. It's pretty neat. Boom. This actually works beautiful. You don't want to cut any of that copper off. You want to keep as much of that copper on there as you can. There we go. We use SJO or SOOW cable on our dual PMG. It's 6-lead, and this is a real rubber casing, and it's meant to lay out in the weather, and it's real rubber. It's not that plastic or PVC that'll crack and get stiff. This stuff doesn't get stiff in the wintertime. It stays flexible. And for our single PMG, we use SJOOW cable, and it's the same flexible casing. This is real rubber. This is the way extension cords used to be made. This stuff stays extremely flexible. It's made to be out in the weather. It's not going to crack or split or anything like that. Well, thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope I've clarified this for you and made it easy. If you have any questions, you can always call the store, and somebody in technical or one of the salesmen will be glad to help you and answer any question you have with any problems you have. We really do answer our phones. I've got a full-time tech guy that you can talk to too. So I'm Jeff from Missouri Wind and Solar, and thanks for watching.